Hey guys, so I'm super excited to make this video today because I am going to be unboxing the most prestigious credit card in all of Canada, and this is also a credit card that is available in the United States as well. It is the American Express Platinum card. And the coolest thing about this card that I've found so far is that it is literally a metal credit card. So that's pretty cool, and in the end of this video I will actually be weighing this credit card to see how much it actually weighs, because it does feel significantly heavier than a typical plastic credit card. So let's get right into it and unbox this credit card. So it came in this cool box like this, and it was shipped via FedEx, which I've had a lot of credit cards that I've signed up for over the years, and I have never seen a credit card come via a courier, and it came via FedEx, like I said. So that was pretty cool. It came really fast, so when you do sign up for this credit card, you can expect to get it pretty quickly. And there is a lot of different travel rewards that come with this credit card that make it very prestigious, and you can stay at some of the best hotels around the world and be at a very high level within their membership program and actually get free room upgrades. You get 12 p.m. check-in instead of like 4 p.m. and then you get 4 p.m. checkout instead of like 12 p.m. So that's really nice, and there's a lot of perks with this credit card. It is a high annual fee. The annual fee is $700, so just keep that in mind. But if you do sign up using my referral link in the description below, you will get $600 in membership reward points after you spend your first $5,000. So that's pretty easy to do over a whole year, and then you're basically getting $600 back, plus this card gives you a $200 travel credit. So if you book travel $200 or more on this credit card, you'll actually get $200 back. So basically you're getting $800 in rewards, not including any of the other perks of this credit card, and you only pay $700. So you're already profiting $100, plus you're gonna get all these other cool benefits, including airport lounge access to many of the different lounges in the airports, and you get that completely free. A lot of different travel benefits, so I'll go in detail into all of those. But let's get right into the actual credit card. So I'm opening it up here, and as we can see, this credit card actually came with a wooden box, and it comes right in a wooden box. And I have opened this up just to put some tape over my personal information, but let's take it right out of the wooden portion, and we can see that this credit card is all metal on the front, and then on the back where the credit card number is, that is plastic in Canada and still metal in the United States. The reason that it's plastic in Canada is because we use contactless payments, so you can tap your credit card, and so it needed to have some sort of plastic on it, so that's why they put the plastic on the backing and then the metal on the front. So this is super cool, my first ever metal credit card, and the other awesome thing with this credit card is there's no fixed credit limit. So you can basically spend as much as you possibly want. Now that could become a problem for some people, because you don't want to obviously incur a bunch of interest on your credit card, so just keep that in mind. This is the credit card itself, and then as we can see, it says Platinum starts here, right on the inside. Okay, so it comes with this envelope inside, and that's everything that's in it. And then there, like I said, the wooden box that it actually came in. Let's take the wooden box out. And when you take the wooden box out, there is actually some, so this is the wooden box itself. And then, so that's pretty cool. And then it says, "Welcome to a world of possibilities. Dear Platinum card holder, I would like to welcome you to the world of Platinum. Whether you're dining in a local cafe or exploring the island of Santorini, every benefit can create exceptional experiences that will stay with you forever. And with the promise of Platinum Care, we're here with your every servicing need, wherever you are in the world." And then so it says, "Enclosed are key benefit highlights of the Platinum card." So this is pretty cool. Comes directly from the president of American Express. And then we can see this says exceptional rewards await you. And this tells you kind of about the earn rates of the credit card. So you earn 3 points for every $1 you spend on eligible dining in Canada. You earn 2 points for every $1 in card purchases on eligible travel. So any travel purchases, you're gonna get 2 points. So that's equivalent to basically 2%. And then every other sort of purchase, you're gonna get 1 point. So yeah, that just kind of explains the earn rates. And then this is what I was talking about earlier. This is the $200 travel credit. So you basically have to book your flights, hotel, or car rental through americanexpress.ca/travel. And then, or you can also book it through the Platinum Card Travel Service, and they'll give you a $200 credit towards your credit card payment, and you'll get, so basically you get $200 back if you make that travel purchase. So that's a cool perk. And like I said, once you spend over $5,000 after you sign up under my referral link in the description below, then you're gonna get $600 worth of travel points there, and then you're gonna also get $200 from this. So that's $800, and you're only paying $700 for the annual fee, and you get one of the coolest credit cards in all of Canada. So definitely worthwhile. Let's see what else we got here. Make travel a breeze at Pearson Airport. So that's in Toronto. Basically you get free complimentary valet service, you get discounted parking rates. I don't live in Toronto and I don't really go to Toronto very much, but if I did, then you'd have that. And this is where I talked about the airport lounges. This gives you access to over 1,200 different lounges in airports. So this is a huge perk. I just made, my previous video was made about a business class review. I just flew business class with Air Canada. And in business class, it gives you free access to the lounge. And the lounge is super cool. You get unlimited drinks, unlimited food. So this is awesome and a huge perk. Usually it's around $30 US to enter a lounge per person. So this gives you access for yourself plus one other person. Next is the hotel benefits. So as we can see, there is a lot of benefits with this card. I'm really looking forward to actually using these. I'm gonna be going actually away tomorrow. So I'm gonna probably give the Shangri-La a try because you get access to their top package, and it's pretty cheap for what the Shangri-La usually is. For now, I'll just tell you what this says. So basically, every time you stay in one of their hotels under the Fine Hotels and Resorts, you will get access to a room upgrade on arrival, daily breakfast for 2 people. So if you're staying at like the Fairmont, that's usually like $30 or $40 a person. So that's definitely a good perk. You get guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout, like I was saying earlier. You get a noon check-in, like I was also saying earlier. And then you get a special benefit valued at $100 US. So that's usually like $100 credit towards the resort, whether you want to use it on a spa or whether you want to use it on dinner or room service or whatever you want to use it for at the resort other than the actual hotel fee. That will be given to you if you book through the Fine Resorts and Hotels. And then you also get complimentary Wi-Fi, which everyone gets, so that's not really a perk, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And then this is a dedicated level of care. So basically you get a special phone number that only Platinum Card users get, and they will do some sort of complimentary service where if you need anything booked, if you want concert tickets or you need help with booking travel, they'll take care of all of that for you. So that's nice to have. You get access to the Global Dining Collection, where you can dine at some of the nicest restaurants in the world and they will make the reservations for you. So that's pretty cool. And then you get really high-end insurance actually. You can read more details about this on their website, but basically you get a lot of insurance, including travel insurance, that you would have to normally pay for, but they take care of all of that just for being a Platinum Card member. And then this is just basically tells you how to activate it and download the app. And then this is the terms and conditions. So that's what was under the wooden box. And then this is the envelope that they give to you in behind. So let's just see what is in this. And then pretty quick here, we'll actually weigh the credit card to show you how much this credit card actually weighs, because it does feel quite heavy. So this just says your new American Express card has arrived, and basically sign the back of it and gives you some terms and conditions, and basically just explains what the interest rates are, and then this is all the other stuff about like the insurance and the service numbers and stuff like that. So the cool stuff was all under the wooden box where the credit card was held, and that basically gave you all the perks. I was reading on the website a super cool perk that it offers that most people will never need. They offer private jet service. So if you're ever gonna charter a private jet, which most of us will never do, but it does offer this service. So if you ever need to charter a private jet and you and your buddies wanna go somewhere, they will actually book it for you and set everything up. You just tell them where you wanna fly from and where you wanna go to, and they will take care of that. I have never seen a credit card that offers this service. So this just shows the prestige of this credit card, and basically they will book a private jet for you. Obviously you have to pay for it, but they will take care of that for you. So that is an insane perk of this credit card that I have never seen on any other credit card. I will likely never use that, but if I ever did want to fly on a private jet one day, I have that perk. All right, so let's actually weigh this credit card. All right, so let's weigh this credit card. So as we can see, it's showing 0 right now. So let's put the credit card rate on there, and still showing 0. So let's put the wooden box on there, and that's showing 200 grams. So the wooden box is 200 grams, and then when we add the credit card, it stays at 200. So basically what we know is that this credit card is less than 10 grams. This scale doesn't measure any less than that. So basically it is less than 10 grams that this card weighs. So actually it's not that heavy, but in comparison to a normal credit card, it is definitely heavier. Definitely does take up a little more room in your wallet, so just keep that in mind. The credit card itself is super prestigious, and you're going to get a lot of questions about it when you do hand it off to people, because most people have never seen a metal credit card before. So that should be interesting as you're paying for things to see people's reactions with it, because it is something that is so rare to have a metal credit card. If you guys want to get started in the American Express Platinum program and sign up and get that welcome bonus of $600 worth of points after you spend your first $5,000 on the credit card, then click that link in the description below, sign up for the card, give it a try. It is an affiliate link, so I do get around $150 worth of points if you sign up under that link. So I'd really appreciate if you did sign up through that link, because if you don't and you go directly to American Express's website, you're only gonna get $500 worth of points. So it's definitely more worthwhile to go through this referral link that you'll find in the description below. And yeah, why not get $600 worth of points instead of 500? So I want you guys to let me know if you do sign up, because I'm curious what you guys think about this credit card and your take on it. But I think it's a super cool credit card, and if you're someone who likes to travel or wants to get into traveling, this is the credit card for you, and where you can travel a lot more prestigiously than just your average credit card. And it does also give you that travel insurance that you would normally have to pay for, so it's definitely going to be worthwhile to get this credit card. Even if you just use it for 1 year, because you get that welcome bonus and then you cancel it after that, if you're not using all the benefits, then it's still going to be beneficial to you for that year that you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the American Express Platinum card, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks so much for watching, guys.